So let me show you guys how to charge the Xiaomi G20 Max vacuum cleaner. It's very easy. So in order to do that, make sure you have the charging cable and you have it plugged in the electricity, and grab your charging cable and locate the charging area on your Xiaomi G20 Max. So I got it right here and put the cable inside this hole at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. But how you know you have to charge your vacuum cleaner? You can double check, turn this on and turn this off, and here is the percentage of your actual battery. Now it's 60%, and you can also see here the green line, and if you put it inside the charging port, here is the green lightning and it's charging. So it's very easy, it charges up to 100%, and it's simply as that. Once you fully charge it, make sure to unplug the cable and you can use it like this. So it was that simple. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.